Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you my all-time favorite yummy coconut pudding recipe. This dessert is my childhood favorite as my mom used to always prepare this for any gathering at home. If this is your first time visit, hello and welcome. I do post videos every week. Do join me to learn such interesting and easy recipes. This is a very easy recipe with a handful of ingredients. The only waiting period is the time taken for the pudding to set. So let me not waste any more time and start with the recipe. Dry roast a freshly grated coconut on medium to low heat. As the coconut is roasting, we'll get a few things ready. But do remember to keep an eye on it as we don't want it burnt.
It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
Dissolve the custard powder in half a cup of milk and mix it till there are no lumps. It's better to add all the custard powder in one lot because when you add this to the milk, it tends to thicken very fast, and if you are not careful, it may stick at the bottom and burn. Custard powder, as you all may know, is made with corn flour, and corn flour, if it is not stirred, has a tendency to settle at the bottom. Now that your custard is ready, grease the vessel in which the custard will be set. If you find difficult to multitask, then finish roasting the coconut first and then start with the custard and greasing the pan. Heat milk in a pan and add in the sugar and vanilla essence and bring it to a boil.
I hope it's real. This life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain.
Once the milk comes to a boil, add in the custard powder mixture. But remember that you have to stir it well before adding it in. Keep stirring constantly till the mixture cooks and you get the desired consistency. Increase or decrease the quantity of custard powder as per the consistency required by you, just as I have done. For the pudding to set, the minimum required consistency is like the idli batter, but if you want it thicker, you can add more custard powder. If you feel there are any lumps, or just in case it has caught the bottom and turned brown, you can strain the mixture. Once it thickens and gets a glossy texture, switch off and add in half the roasted coconut and combine well. Pour into the greased vessel and level it by tapping it. Generously sprinkle the remaining roasted coconut on the top.
Our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core.
After adding in all the coconut, lightly press it down with your hand so that it sticks onto the custard. Refrigerate overnight or for 6 to 8 hours.
Eternal.
When set, demold and enjoy this delicious coconut pudding. This is so yummy that I'm sure you will not stop at one serve. If If you find my videos helpful, please do share them with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.
Just keep your faith.